Classic roasting pan designed to bake a deep, hearty lasagna. Commercial grade and heavy gauge aluminized steel. Made in the USA from globally sourced materials. Unique corrugated surface design facilitates air circulation. Also great for cooking roast chicken, potatoes, and other roasted meats. Nonstick Americoat coating. A patented silicone that is PTFE, PFOA and BPA free. Made with a blend of new and recycled steel and limited lifetime. Baking surface dimensions. 13.75 by 10.37 by 3 inches. Outer surface dimensions. 16 by 10.37 by 3 inches. USA Pan is a Bundy family company that has proudly manufactured high-quality bakeware and provided jobs in the USA for over 50 years. The USA Pan lasagna and roasting pan is bakeware that measures 13.75 by 10.375 by 3 inches by baking surface and provides home bakers with an easy way to bake warm, mouth-watering homemade lasagnas. The pan baking surface is perfect, designed for placing 6 lasagna noodles across the bottom, and the pan can be filled with nearly 2 full 1-pound boxes of oven-ready, no-boil, or regular lasagna noodles for a hearty lasagna. Bring a perfect smile to the whole family with traditional or modern casseroles, baked chicken, lasagnas, baked zitis, and more. Easy grip handles make the pan very easy to pull out of the oven. Whether you are baking a delicious 6-cheese lasagna for a dinner with friends or just want a quick and easy way to have a warm, home-cooked meal, the USA Pan Lasagna Pan is the perfect pan for you. With a fluted surface and clear, non-stick coating, the USA Pan Lasagna Pan allows for even baking and quick and easy cleanup. Every USA pan is made in the USA from globally sourced materials and has been designed with the same standard high-performance features that commercial bakers enjoy, including aluminized steel and heavy-gauge steel construction that allows for even heat distribution and maximum service life. The USA Pan Lasagna Pan also features a steel wire in the rim, which provides extra strength and further provides resistance to warping. USA pans are long-lasting, durable, reliable, and come with a limited lifetime. USA Pan's professional-grade bakeware helps everyday home bakers produce professional-grade baked goods. USA Pan is a Bundy family-owned company, based in the greater Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania area that has been producing high-performance bakeware for over 50 years. Top reviews from the United States. Great pan. Really like this pan. Is really non-stick. Read the care instructions on back of cardboard that is stuck on it, was easy to remove. Good for up to 45 degrees and no cooking spray recommended. I used the Whole Foods brand 365 lasagna noodles, which are long, 5 across, 2 layers, plus 5 to cover top, and it made at least 15 nice-sized portions. I boiled a couple extra noodles to cover to edge of pan, for when some of a regular size noodles didn't reach edge. Pan is high enough so didn't splatter. This USA brand is excellent. I bought 2 of their pie pans and those are great too. They conduct heat very well, so you have to keep an eye out and adjust temp as necessary depending on your oven. Very happy with my purchase.